Your teacher would never teach you this in the school. This is a quadratic equation. So what we do first, in order to solve this problem, we have to organize it. What is the equation for quadratic formula? A times x to the power of 2 plus bx plus c. This is like a universal formula. So we have to bring this equation into this form. So how do we do that? X to the power of 2 minus x. I'm going to move this number to the left side of the equation. So when I move that, it becomes negative. So negative 20 equals to 0. So now, in order to find the value of x, I have to find two numbers. This is very important. I have to find two numbers, which I multiply them. It has to give me negative 20. And when I add them, it has to give me negative 1, because I have a negative 1 here, right? What is those two numbers? It is 4 and 5. But remember the sign for it. So which one is negative, which one is positive? So if I get the 4 negative and 5 positive, 4 times 5 is 20. Negative times positive is negative, right? So, but when I add them together, it's going to be positive 1, but I need a negative 1. So I have to change the signs. So this has to be positive 4 and negative 5. So now 4 times 5 is 20. Positive times negative is negative, and when I add them together, I'm going to get negative 1. So now I almost solved this problem. So now I'm just going to write it as x plus 4 in one parenthesis times another parenthesis with x negative 5 equal to 0. So now I'm going to put each parenthesis equal to 0 individually in order to find the value of x. So x plus 4 is equal to 0. I move 4 to the other side, so it turns to a negative 4. So this is my x1, which is one of my values for x. And then x minus 5 equal to 0. So I'm going to move minus 5 to the other side. It turns to positive 5. So my x2 is positive 5. So here are my two values for x. Because when you have a quadratic equation, you always have two values for x. You have to find two values, except some of the exceptions that there are one value for x.